simulation here, you can see I have the Iris quadcopter loaded in a virtual setting here. So we're going to run some tests, and I'm trying to ensure that it actually works. So here I'm loading up my user input. I think it's on one of these screens here. Right here. Oops. So right now we have him stopped here. So I'm going to enter some input here and try and get him to go. Oh, I might have hit the switch here. So we have hello up. I hit an emergency stop, so we should stop here. Okay, great. Now I'm going to hit A, and we're going to go in X direction a little bit. You can see the quadcopter going across the screen, traversing there. Now I'm going to hit the W key, and we're going to increase in Y, so he's going to go a little off in Y direction. You can see him going very slowly here. Now I'm going to decrease, and he's going to go back the other way. The velocity is set at a very slow speed, but it is stable. Hopefully he is not going down, so I'm going to decrease the elevation a little bit. Right here, I hit V, and now he's going down. And now I'm going to hit X for emergency stop. Emergency stop, right? Yeah, emergency stop, and we just go into hover mode. And now we're going to continue to go. Let's go in the Y direction. And now come back. He's coming back now. All right, I want him to come back. And now let's go. He's gonna go the other way now. So this is just simply keyboard inputs in ROS. I've set up a publishing node that publishes velocity commands to the drone in ROS. So I want him to kind of come towards me here. Now, as I already mentioned, this is just simply at a constant velocity. He's not going very fast because I like to see the control here. So I'm going to do an emergency stop. Emergency stop, right? Okay, so I'm going to go down a bit and then emergency stop. I guess technically if I do an emergency stop, he needs to hover. So emergency stop, that means he's just free falling, I think, maybe. So we're increasing Z here. So I want to increase Y. He can come back here. Okay, now in the emergency stop mode, I want to see what's going on. Actually, I think I'm just going to go into auto land mode and oh no, I want to see what happens in the hovering stage. If he'll actually crash. Because right now I'm providing no velocity, but it looks like it's just free falling. now it's so yeah, it looks like it's just free falling here. If I don't provide any velocity, that's unfortunate. And I think I just ended the communication, and I think maybe the drone just crashed. Or it landed. We'll see what the status is. I hope it landed. If it loses communication, it should auto land. Let's see what my status is. I'm trying to find the status here. Auto loiter. Okay, that's okay too. There it is. Okay, so that was kind of a test of the drone simulation. And one thing I learned from this is if I want to put the stop and if I want it to hover, I need to provide gravitational acceleration of 1g, so that way it can just kind of stay in one spot and not be affected by gravity. And of course, in the near future, I will implement simulations for angular control via the keyboard, and that can be easily done just by using more keys and simply modifying program parameters. So thank you very much for watching this video of the flight simulation using MAVROS